Hey everyone, so today I'm taking a little walk with my dog at the Arboretum and I wanted to share these beautiful views. Of course, here's Lily. Here's the azalea trail. It's not really their time to bloom, but they still look beautiful amongst the fall leaves. So it's a beautiful view back here over by the azalea trail. As part of your wellness journey, I just want to remind you to get out in nature, do your forest bathing, get that vitamin D and those rays from the sun, and all the health properties that nature has to offer you. It's great for your mental health and your physical health, and I would even go as far to say as your spiritual health as well. Yay! Good girl! Good girl! Yeah! Good girl!